Your heart just stopped. Congratulations, you are not dead yet. Most people waste these 4 minutes screaming, crying, or waiting for someone else to act. That is how you convert a survivable situation into a funeral. Here is what biology actually gives you. The moment cardiac arrest hits, your brain still has oxygenated blood circulating, 4 minutes of it, dying at a rate of 1.9 million per minute. The damage becomes permanent, irreversible. The window does not reopen. Here is how you use it. Call for help first, not last. Not after checking if they are breathing, not after panicking. First, one phone call buys you trained hands and a defibrillator. Start chest compressions immediately. Hard, fast, 100 beats per minute. Push 2 inches deep into the sternum. You are manually replacing a stopped pump. Physics does not care about your comfort or theirs. Weak compressions deliver weak circulation. Weak circulation delivers brain death. Do not stop. Stopping for 10 seconds loses 30 seconds of pressure buildup. The biology resets. You start over. If an AED is nearby, use it without hesitation. It will tell you exactly what to do. The machine is smarter than your panic.
Finally, here's a quick recap of the essential survival tips. Don't forget to follow us for more fascinating and thought-provoking topics.